Alright, today on my bench I got a Ridgid radio. So let's see what it does. Take the power cord out, plug her in. It does nothing. Okay. Okay. Wonder what it does with a battery. Let's put a battery in it, see what that does. Sorry about the audio on pretty much all my videos. I have not, no, still nothing with the battery. Sorry about the audio. I am still playing around with settings and things like that. I hope to make it sound better. Well, as best as I can make my voice sound. But, so we got no power. But I did see there's a fuse here. Let's check that guy out. Flathead screwdriver. How do you get that out of there? Oh. Fuse is good. See the wire in there? I don't know if you can. Yeah. Fuse is good. Well, they never even took the plastic off of that. Okay, so that's good. Then let's open it and see why there's no power. Oh, I'm assuming a bunch of screws at the bottom. Use my homemade T10 screwdriver. Works great. Yeah, for this I just took a old screwdriver I had kicking around. I had a T10 bit. I just welded it to the screwdriver. Because apparently all my other kits never came with an actual T10 screwdriver in them, so if you don't got the tool, make the tool. Right? I wish this was magnetic though. Old hard drive magnets. See if this will magnetize it. So I can pull those screws out. Works like a charm. Well, that one. I wish it would kind of like just do that. That's exactly what I want. Oh, that opened like an accordion. Okay. Now we're in business. Okay, so we got the battery voltage comes here to there. That is an input, output USB Okay, so then this is the power board. That I'm assuming is the rectifier bridge. So that's the power switch. This is AC coming in through the fuse to the transformer, back out into here. These will be for the amplifier. First things first, I want to see if that switch, the on-off button, is working. Won't be able to get my I can get my multimeter in there. Okay, so I just have it on continuity. Beep. So if I put there. Oh, where do they run to? One runs to there. One to there. Other one to there. Come on. This is going to be difficult. Okay. So the switch is working. Good to know that. So now, power to the transformer. Fuse was good. I'm going to unscrew this board. I'm going to have to take that board off and take a look on the back side of it. Capacitors seem fine. Oh. Here's a resistor that's burnt up. This one's gotten pretty hot as well. Okay, after some struggles, we got the board out. So, I can see that there's a resistor there that is burnt up. This guy right there. So, we'll find out what he connects to. Let's test that, see if it still has any sort of resistance left in it. Like that. Or if he's going to be burnt open. And 232 ohms. No, he's still there, just a little crispy. Okay. So what I want to know is the power. Power connector is here. So we have DC and we have the AC. Let's see what the diodes read. So diode junction there. Reads like a diode. This guy. He's climbing, that's weird. He reads. Yeah. Okay, so the diodes seem to be alright. Let's see, what else? What are we looking at here? I'm going to just start testing things and see if I can figure out what is, because I don't think it's shorted. If it is shorted, then yeah. There's no shorts on the input, so this guy got hot. Why did that guy get hot? He is... Where is he? This trace here. What is this? That looks like a regulator. And that one looks like it's gotten warm. That looks like a voltage regulator. Where does he come from? The panel. I'm tempted to put power to this. I need this. I need to hook up the front panel. Not this one, but not that one. Yeah, that's just the antenna. I need this one hooked up. Okay, so we have that. You know what? If I just do this, clip that in, and just run it off of battery, then I can have my hands free to test. Yes? Yeah. So we're gonna go to voltage. Now we have 18 here. Yes. So now when I push the power button, we have lights. And now it's on. I didn't do anything. Huh. Off? I don't know if you can see that. Like down here. There. See that? We have lights now. So why was it not turning on before? I think I'll do is I'll see if I can find a resistor. See if I can find a resistor. We'll swap that out. Test it again and see if it works. So with that done, just out of curiosity, please don't go poof. Still turns on. I'm going to put it back together like this and test it. See what it does. We got light. Got my phone hooked up for some copyright music. Yeah. Seems to be working as it should. Perfect. Go. Oh, we replaced a resistor, but it did work before that, so I don't know exactly what happened. But either way, hey, we got a working radio now. Yeah. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Hopefully you learned something. If not, at least found it entertaining. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.